Hello everyone, welcome back to Geo ICT Academy. Struck by copyright on YouTube? Fix your video without deleting it, and to do is simply by editing the video inside YouTube Studio. Without spending much time, let's get started here.
Yes guys, to clean our channel, of course we need to use a YouTube Studio. We open our YouTube Studios, and then you are going to follow the following steps. Actually, we are going to check in our content whether there is some content that has any copyright, and if are there, we solve them without delete our videos. We are going to clean up them without delete them. We are going to edit them online, right? Yes, so what we are going to do is just to check for this icon here, restrictions, is where we are going to focus on restrictions. As you see, for those videos that has any problem, they shows none, right? As you see here, this is none. We are going to scroll down and check whether there is anyone that has copyright or any restriction. You see now there is no one. Let us check for all videos. Yeah, you see still now there is no video that has any copyright. Let us check for another page. You see still now there is no one, none. To me that no restriction. We likely to get or to do monetization. Now you see there is a one video that has copyright here. So what we are going to do now is to solve this problem by just editing it without deleting our video. Even if you are not going to monetize, but you can solve this problem so that once you are eligible to make monetization, you should do it, or you should monetization without any problem, right? So that's why here what we are going to do is to click on see details, right? See details, so that we are going to see which one caused our copyright. You see here there is Ngaho Papa Changwe. Here is a song which is used in this video by Papa Changwe, Ngaho by Papa Changwe, story by Medi. To me that these songs are those who cause copyright for our video. So what we are going to do is to click here on take action so that we can solve this problem. You can either remove this song, erase song, replace song, or trim out segment. To me that here once we erase song, it's like removing that in our video, but once we replace, you can use YouTube library musics and you can't get any copyright, or you can trim out the segment, meaning you can cut and delete that part that has this song. But for us, let us replace it. Is one I can recommend you to replace that song by using one from YouTube library, right? As you click on that icon, you see there is difference here. YouTube library songs or music that you can use. For example, once you click on here, you can play it. Let us listen. You can also use this one. Let us listen. Yeah, let us use this one. And then after clicking on it, you can click here on save. Then click here and then click confirm change. Then you have to wait. Remember we solved it for the first icon, right? Yes. Let us now wait. As I click here on cancel, you will see that for our video now is checking one found. Instead of writing copyright, now is checking. So we have to wait a little bit for this checking, and then YouTube will give us a solution whether is now copyright, remove it, or if there is any other problem, we can also still work on it until we make it clear. So let us wait a little bit. Yes, as you see, it's still there copyright, but remember that we remove it or we replace one for Papa Chango called Ngao. Let us see which matter now. As you see here, there is another song which is slowly, but the previous one you see, I resolved it. So let us also take action here and replace this song with one from YouTube library, so that also can be pressed. Also, you can use this one. Yeah, let us use this. We have to click on this art icon and then click here on save, right? Then click here on acknowledge that these changes are permanent. Then click on confirm change, and also we have to wait for this action. As you see, also is now checking for another task. Let us also wait a little bit. Wow, guys, as you see, our video now doesn't have any restriction, either copyright or copyright strike. So now, as you see, our videos are clear now. We can now start our monetization journey, right? So let us stop by here for this video. Let us continue the next one where we start our applying for monetization. So thank you for watching this video. Please, if you are here, don't miss subscribe, like this video and share it to your colleagues. And if you have any question or idea, let us know in the comment section. So thank you, see you soon.